Hello everyone, ito po ang inyong lingkod, si Mr. Cabert Dibo na nais kong magpasalamat kay Ate Guy. Gusto kong magbigay ng ilang awitin na mga pinasikat niyang awitin na mga galing mismo sa akin bilang tribute ko sa iyo, Ate Guy, at bilang pasasalamat sa mga naitulong mo sa akin. Hindi man ako nakapag-extra sa mga pelikula mo dahil karamihan ng nasamahan kong pelikula ay kay Miss Vilma Santos, kagaya ng Burlesque Queen at saka Amorsico, Kumakapit, Kumakabit. Mas napalagay ang loob ko sa iyo. Mas napahanga ako dahil sa mga napakagandang awitin mo at saka napakabait mo. Yung ugali mo, Ate Guy, talagang hindi ko yan malilimutan. Maraming salamat sa naitulong mo sa akin. Utang na loob ko sa iyo ang mga naitulong mo sa akin, naiambag mo sa akin. Maraming salamat po, Ate Guy. Mahal na mahal kita. May you rest in peace. Naway kasama ka na ng ating Panginoon at dalangin ko rin na makasama ka na doon sa paradise na ipinangako ng ating Panginoon. Naway maging tahimik na at maging payapa ang iyong kaluluwa, Ate Guy. Hindi kita malilimutan, lalo na ang iyong mga awitin. Dahil simula nung maliit pa ako, ikaw na ang hinangaan ko, yung boses mo, yung mga awitin mo. Talaga hanggang ngayon marami po akong koleksyon ng mga awitin mo, Ate Guy. Mahal na mahal kita at muli maraming salamat sa iyo sa mga naitulong mo sa akin at hindi ko talaga makakalimutan yan na iambag mo sa akin, na itulong mo sa akin, Ate Guy. Maraming salamat. Wala kang katulad at naway pagpalain ka ng ating Panginoon at makasama ka na ng ating Panginoon doon sa paraiso. At maraming salamat, kaya ginawa ko tong tribute na ako mismo ang aawit, ihahandog ko po para sa iyo, Ate Guy, bilang pasasalamat sa lahat ng naitulong mo ako sa akin. Maraming salamat. Thank you very much for all the things that you have done to me, Miss Nora Honor. Thank you. This is Cabert Dibo na nagpapasalamat. At ito na po ang iaalay ko sa iyo ng mga awitin na pinasikat mo. Muli maraming salamat, at doon sa mga fans, naway wag nating kalimutan ang nag-iisang superstar. Ito ang inyong lingkod, Mr. Cabert Dibo. May you rest in peace, Miss Nora Honor, our national artist. Wala kang katulad, nag-iisa ka lamang. From Cabert Dibo, para sa iyo, Ate Guy, Miss Nora Honor, maraming salamat po. Maria Leonora Teresa, Teresa was not alone. She had both of us to love her as we love in a world of our own. Maria Leonora Teresa. Maria Leonora Teresa, forsaken done. Now that you're returned to me, love has died for Maria and me. Maria Ate Guy, maraming salamat. Cabert Dibo po. Muli mga kaibigan, ito ang inyong lingkod, si Mr. Cabert Dibo na nagpapaalam na po. Maraming salamat. At Yan po ang ating tribute para kay Ate Guy sa kanyang kabaitan at sa dami ng tinulungan. In your life, have you known any lonely days like the ones that I had since you went away? And have you been to a world where you're all alone, like the one I have known, waiting for you? There are stars, but on this sparkle sky, there's more, but not a silver one. Nights are cold and days without a sun. They're all grown tired and gone, waiting for you. But my heart still in love gives its flames for you. All the love that we shared was a gift for you. And just in case that your heart breaks into like mine, come back and find that I'm waiting for you. There are stars, but on this sparkle sky, there's more, but not a silver one. Nights are cold and days without the sun. They've all grown tired and gone, waiting for you. There are stars, but on this sparkle sky, there's more, but not a silver one. Nights are cold and days without the sun. They've all grown tired and gone, waiting for you. Maraming salamat Ate Guy, kahit medyo wala tayong boses ngayon, at least nakapaghandog ako ng mga awitin para sa iyo. Paalam Ate Guy, thank you. Tuloy-tuloy pa po tayo sa ating mga awiting handog para kay Ate Guy. Lahat ng mga kanyang mga awitin natin bilang tribute. May tribute to you. Saludo ako sa iyo Ate Guy. From Cover de Bow. So-called friends may sometimes end. What in the world do you see in that boy? I don't reply, I just let it pass me by. I know why you're the heart of my world. One for the special way you care. Two, when I call you're always there. Three, for all the love you've given me. There's three good reasons why I love you. And there should never come a day when I'm alone and you're away. Don't you worry, in my heart I'm saying three good reasons. The three good reasons why I love you. Come into my loving arms. I hold you tight 'cause I want to be sure you'll understand my reasons for loving you. And you must know that I'll say it once more. One for the special way you care. You, when I go, you're always there. Three for all love you can make. There's three gold reasons why I love you. If there should ever come day when I'm alone and you're away, don't you worry in my heart I'm saying three gold reasons, the three gold reasons why I love you. Yes, three good reasons, three good reasons why I love you. I love you, Ate Guy. Rest in peace. I'm already 66. Pero hanggang ngayon, avid fan mo pa rin ako, si Cover Tibo. 66 years old, a senior citizen. Para sa iyo lahat yan, mga awitin ko, Ate Guy, handog ko sa iyo. Tuloy-tuloy pa po tayo sa mga tribute natin para kay Ate Guy. Miss Nora Ono, rest in peace, ang Cover Tibo. Maraming salamat. It's time to say goodbye. It hurts to ever try. I can't believe we're wrong, but what can I do? And now that we must part, although it breaks my heart, you'll never say me goodbye. It's time to say goodbye. It hurts to ever try. I can't believe what's wrong. What else can I do? Umawit po ng live para sa iyo.